everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of scientific notation. If you've ever come across a number like 1.23e05 and wondered what it means, stick around. We're breaking it down for you. In the context of a number written in scientific notation, like 1.23e05, there are two main parts, the mantissa and the exponent. First, let's talk about the mantissa. The mantissa is the main part of the number. It contains the significant digits of the number, which represent its magnitude. So, in 1.23e05, 1.23 is the mantissa. Think of it as the core value we start with. Next up, we have the exponent. The exponent indicates the power of 10 by which the mantissa should be multiplied. It determines the scale of the number. In 1.23e05-05 is the exponent. This means we multiply 1.23 by 10 raised to the power of minus 5. So, when we put it all together, 1.23e05 is understood as 1.23 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 5. And there you have it. 1.23e05 is equivalent to 0.0000123. I hope this clears up any confusion you might have had about scientific notation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more interesting math and science content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.